Today's little video is going to be on these wire nuts I just got the other day off of Amazon. And as you can see, there's a minimum and maximum for each type of wire. So let's see, minimum 2 times number 22 gauge wire. What you're doing is that wire is the thinnest. Then the maximum is 16 gauge. And what you're doing is, say like 16 gauge, you twist two pieces of 16 gauge wire together, that should equal number 8 gauge. So forth and so on for each one of these wire nuts. So you just have to figure out, you just have to do the math. Two 16 gauge wires put together equals 8 gauge, if I'm correct in my mathematical equation. And a 22 gauge put together, it'll be equal to, say, 11 gauge, if there is such a thing as 11 gauge electrical wire. The other thing about the wire is, when you go to strip it, it's not the coating. The coating is a certain amount of thickness. It depends on who makes the wire and how thick they want the coating. It's the actual copper wire itself. So, hope this video helps somebody. That's it. I found this on Amazon, and it's got total 100 pieces. 2 styles of 30, 1 of 20, and 2 of 10, as you can see on the packet. So y'all have a great day and catch y'all later. Thank you.